Sunlight that always stays, dinner by the waterway. It's that sweet life. Raise your cross.
What's up? What it do? So I'm out here in these Atlanta streets, honey. Honey. I'm out here at A Taste of Nigeria. It's an Atlanta event or whatever. So I'm excited. I got my boys with me today. Happy Saturday, y'all. Today I was gonna work my life away, but I decided, you know what, no, it's the weekend. That's something I struggle with, being an entrepreneur. I say I'm gonna, you know, have my days off, but I still just find myself always working. So today I was like, no, I'm not doing that. I'm not sitting at my computer draining my eyes. I'm getting out in the world, in these streets, and I really wanted to come to this event. And I low-key, okay, put your jacket on. I low-key forgot it was today until I looked at Facebook at my events, and I was like, oh my god, it's today. So I'm late. It's like only 30 minutes left, so come on, get your jacket. It's a little chilly out. I love weather like this, y'all. Like 65 degrees, that's my jam. I got my boys with me, 2 parts of my crew. Out much, okay? I don't necessarily live in Atlanta. I live 40 minutes north of Atlanta, so I don't normally, like, you know, get out, especially Corona season, honey. This is the park. It's called Piedmont Park. It's not like a park, but you know, like a park. It's a Piedmont Park, Izzy. They got different stuff here, botanical gardens. It's so nice. I've never been here. Like I said, oh, my glass is fogging up, y'all. But I haven't really had a chance to like get out much and explore Atlanta. So it's so nice getting out. Let me take this down. Ain't nobody around. I'm so surprised my lipstick ain't get messed up in this mask. But it's so nice, like, finding stuff, new stuff to do. Okay, we turn this way. Hold my hand. There's so much going on right now. Come on this side of me. Going this way. Just go ahead. Go. Follow the scooters. Anyway, I haven't been able to like get out much due to just being new here and Corona. Okay, so we finally out doing something. Oh, they got a swimming pool here and everything. This park is huge. This is such a big park. Cause I live in Gwinnett County. Okay, we up in the north. Okay, we got the little low-key family parks, but this park, they got a little restaurant, a little cafe over there. They got a little pond over there. I think it's a lake, something. Just all types of different stuff going on. Like, this is so nice. Oh, I love it, honey. I got Scotch eggs. That was like really all they had left because I done came 15 minutes to close. But we got Scotch eggs. You want to try one? No? I never tried Nigerian food before, so this is my first time. It's really an egg. It's good. Yeah, it is. Is it good? Look at you, cool guy. You got your Nigerian fit. Oh, you look so cool. I just got stuff for the boys. This is Isaac's. Even though baby girl is not with us today. Got her little dress. Yeah, I see you, Isaac, with a little bow. Matching bow. Super cute. Get it in. Hey. Period. Hey. Watch out. Go, Isaac. Hey. Go, Isaac. Go, Isaac. Hey. stuff up. This child of mine. Excuse my lips. Lipstick done came all off. I'm screaming and stuff, cheering my baby on inside my mask. Isaac little self stole the show. Just cut up. I didn't even know he could do all of that. I asked him, how did he learn how to dance like that? He said he closed his eyes and he was a shadow and he was brave. So I'm guessing that means he closed his eyes, he got into the zone, honey, and his spirit was just dancing. Huh?
I'm not good. I'm brave.
You are very brave. You're so good, Isaac. You can dance so good. I didn't even know you could do that. And it's so funny because they the complete opposites. Al, he'll just sit back. He gonna watch you first. Okay, he gonna make sure. He is very intuitive. He is, you know, he watches people. He watches spirits and he feels energies and things. And Isaac, he just gonna jump right in and just be him and do what he do. There's a little bit of everything going on in Piedmont Park, honey. They got a wedding over here. They're gonna bride and groom about to take their pictures. Look, I'm acting like I know them. Let me quit being creepy. Wait a minute. How did that happen? I'm really trying to figure out how y'all got in my house that quick. So, if you're watching this, you made it to the end of this vlog. I am actually editing this vlog right now, as y'all can see. Y'all just hopped out of. I realized I did not create like an ending or outro to this vlog. So, I'm coming on here to say peace out, okay? I wanted to show y'all my bonnet is way on that I got from the Taste of Nigeria. And I'm gonna put her business information on the screen or probably down below in that description box because she did give me like a card. She's on Instagram and stuff. I got a bunch of little goodies from her. I got earrings, Africa shaped earrings, queen earrings. Like, she just had the hookup, okay? Y'all seen I got my boys like a couple jackets. I got my baby girl a dress. Y'all, I have been loving this bonnet. It's so cute. It's so cute, girl. I feel like I'm cute walking around my house in my bonnet. I sure am. So yeah, y'all, it was just a fun day. I know it was a little short vlog, but I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you thumbs up, comment down below, and hashtag TJTV to enter into comment of the day, okay? Subscribe if you ain't subscribed. Join the crew. So yeah, thank y'all so much for hanging out with us. Me and my little two crazies. Now look, listen, I know a lot of y'all been asking me, and I just been avoiding the question. A lot of y'all have been asking me what's going on with the family channel because y'all miss seeing the kids. I know it's been like 2 weeks, almost 3 weeks, maybe 3 weeks since we posted a video on the family channel, which is TT3 TV, where we vlog as a family. Y'all see the kids, all that good stuff. And I know so many of y'all been asking what is up with TT3. Like, I done brought TJTV back. Like, what is going on? I have an update soon. We have an update soon. And y'all just stay tuned. If you're not subscribed already to TT3 TV, make sure you go and subscribe. Don't miss the update because we will have an update coming soon enough. It's just been a lot going on, and girl, just stay tuned for the update, okay? Oh my God, these kids. Speaking of the kids, speaking of the family, here they go. It's Saturday. And they home acting a fool. Look, trying to get into my room. Can't leave me alone. I can't get a second. Anyway, girlfriend, go, yeah, subscribe. That's a little sneak peek of TT3. If you want to see all the craziness, the fool. I don't know why y'all missed it. Y'all missed the crazy. Isaac, he's always the star of the show. Y'all see he was the star of the dance in the park. He be cutting up. You don't get a break from Isaac. So if you want to see more of Isaac, go ahead and subscribe to the family channel. Update coming really soon. Once again, we tried to end this vlog a few seconds early. Once again, thank y'all for watching. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Hashtag TJTV. Y'all, we in this thing. Y'all, we doing this thing, okay? Love y'all.